Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing FFmpeg and confirming it works. Once done, inspect a TS file to learn its codecs and container details so you pick the right approach. Now open a terminal in the folder that holds the TS file. This removes path errors. To kick off conversion immediately, run a simple command like ffmpeg I input, tsc vcopy c, a copy output, Mp4 to test remuxing. That test tells you whether re-encoding is needed. Once you know the TS codecs, decide remux if they are Mp4 friendly or re-encode if not. If remuxing fails, re-encode video with libs264 and control quality using crf. Lower equals better quality. For audio, convert to AAC and set bitrate to 128K for consistent results, and add a sync 1 if you see sync drift. Make sure to specify a pixel format like pix fmt YUV 420p for playback compatibility. Finally, you finish by verifying the Mp4 in a reliable player and inspecting duration and sync. Once satisfied, process remaining files with a scripted loop and keep original TS files until confirmed. If metadata or subtitles are missing, remux again including subtitle streams or add them with map. A single troubleshooting tip: if playback fails or FFmpeg reports unsupported codec, re-encode both video and audio rather than copying streams. That resolves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.